Now let's call upon Miss Fresher and Mr. Fresher nominees. I should call Anika, Anvita, Anika from Junior Disha,
Anika,
Anvita from Junior Dhruva, Dhanashri from Junior Daksha, Chetana from MEC Junior Drona, Srinita from Junior Drona, Snigdha from Junior Drona, Meghana from Junior Dhyana. Now let's call upon Mr. Fresher nominees. Abu Bakr from Junior Dhyana, Bhanu Prakash from Junior Drona, Ajitesh from Junior Drona, Rijwal from Junior Drona, Shruti Sagar from Junior Dhruva. Karthik from Junior Daksha, Sai Akshit from Junior Disha,
Okay, now this is going to be talent round. So let's start with the girls. This is about you have to, in a minute, either you have to sing, dance, or say dialogue or anything. Whatever you wish. Choice is yours. Names. Anika. Okay, let's start with Junior MEC. Snigdha Rao. Come here.
Namaste everyone, I am Snigdha from Junior Drona. So because I can't show you my colored art, I present to you my written art. Her shadow in the mirror. Her starry eyes staring at a reflection in a silhouette. Her gaze meeting something old, yet something new and rare. The mask she wore, the role she played, being 100 different versions every time, every day. It all comes to a halt as evening sun's ray. Suns. 1 second.
She has a paper, she'll get it.
She sees the light, the laughter's hold, the strength, the stars, the stories untold. With gentle touch and blink of an eye, she wipes away all disarray, seeing all the beauty real and free. In this reflection, she found her voice. To love herself is her only choice. The pride, the sense of self that won't subside. Her shadow, no longer a shell, but the inner joy. Once lost in the labyrinth, now she found her light, accompanying her through the darkest nights. That's all, guys. I take my leave. Thank you.
Hi guys. Hello everyone. Hi guys. Hi. I'm Ajitesh from MEC, Junior Drona. ఇంకా ఓకే ఇంకా చాలామంది మూవీ లవర్స్ ఉన్నట్టున్నారు ఇక్కడ సో ఐఎమ్ అ బిగ్ ఫ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రభాస్ డైరెక్ట్ ఫ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రభాస్ ఇంకా ఒక డైలాగ్ చిన్న డైలాగ్ టిప్పర్ లారీ వచ్చి స్కూటర్ని గుద్దుతే ఎలా ఉంటుందో తెలుసా అలా ఉంటుంది నేను గుద్దుతే
Good evening, everyone. Myself, I'm Chetana Gupta. My Myself, I'm Chaitana Gupta from Junior Drona, and I'm gonna dance right now in front of you, everyone, with the song My Dari Maisamma.
Abu Bakar from Junior Dhyana.
మాయాదారి మైసమ్మ మనము మైసారం పోదామే మైసమ్మ మాయాదారి మైసమ్మ మనం మైసారం పోదామే మైసమ్మ మాయాదారి మైసమ్మ మనం మైసారం పోదామే మైసమ్మ 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 నన్ను కాబరబెట్టి గయముగాకే మైసమ్మ జర పరేషాని చెయ్యకే మైసమ్మ మాయాదారి మైసమ్మ మనం మైసారం పోదామే మైసమ్మ పొద్దుగల ఎవరి ముఖము చూశాను పొద్దుగల ఎవరి ముఖము చూశాను పొలములు దున్నుతుంటే మైసమ్మో మైసమ్మ నేను పొలము దున్నుతుంటే మైసమ్మ నాకు మంగ
Abu Bakar.
Okay, that's fantastic. Your 1 minute is up. Done.
Abu Bakar from Junior Dhyana.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Abu Bakar from Junior Dhyana. I want to sing a song. Actually, I am the big fan of Allu Arjun. నీ కలని పట్టుకు వదలన నలి చూడే నా కళ్ళు ఆ చుపనలలా తొక్కుకు వెళుకు దయలేదా అసలు నీ కలని పట్టుకు వదలన నలి చూడే నా కళ్ళు ఆ చుపనలలా తొక్కుకు వెళుపు దయలేదా అసలు నీ కళ్ళకి కవలి కాస్తాయే కట్టుకల నా కలలు నువ్వు నులుముతుంటే ఎరగ కందిసిందే నీ సెగరు నా ఊపిరి గాలికి ఉయ్యలవులు నా ఉంటే ఉంగురురు నువ్వు నటిస్తే ఎలా నిష్ఠురబడ్డే నిష్ఠురపు విలవిలువు సామజవర గమన నిన్ను చూసి ఆగగలనా మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెప్పతగునా సామజవర గమన నిన్ను చూసి ఆగగలనా మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెప్పతగునా నీ కలని పట్టుకు వదలన నలి చూడే నా కళ్ళు ఆ చుపనలలా తొక్కుకు వెళుపు దయలేదా అసలు నీ కళ్ళకి కవలి కాస్తాయే కట్టుకల నా కలలు నువ్వు నులుముతుంటే ఎరగ కందిసిందే నీ సెగరు మల్లెల మాసమా మంజుల హాసమా ప్రతి మలుపులోన ఎదురు పడిన మల్లెల వసమా విరిసిన పెంచమా సిగుల ప్రపంచమా ఎన్నెన్ని వన్న చిన్నలెన్న వెన్నెల వసమా అరే రాగాలే తరుమినా నా నీరే కరమినా ఉరకవా మరకవా భామా ఎంతో మతి మాదిన ఇంతే నా అంగన మధురమైన మధురమై మన విని మినుమా సామజవర గమన నిన్ను చూసి ఆగగలనా మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెప్పతగునా సామజవర గమన నిన్ను చూసి ఆగగలనా మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెప్పతగునా నీ కలని పట్టుకు వదలన నలి చూడే నా కళ్ళు ఆ చుపనలలా తొక్కుకు వెళుపు దయలే
First of all, good afternoon to everyone. My name is Banu Prakash and I am from MEC batch. and also Drona, of course. Well, actually, I'm a fan of TFI, Tollywood. So I'm gonna tell a dialogue, and this is my genuine request to everyone. Please be silent. కాటుక రాతని నల్లని వేల గురువల ఆజ్ఞను లింగితి ఉత్తర దిక్కున ఊరిని విడిచితి పల్లెలు పురములు పట్టణంబులు పేటలు దాటితి కోటలు దాటితి అడుగులు దాటితి మడుగులు దాటితి అన్నీ దాటితి బొటన వేలుతో నెత్తురు పొంగక పులుపుగులు నుదిన విభూతి ధరించితి అభిషేకించిన ఆకాశానికి జ్యోతులు చెప్పుచుమ్మడి వస్త్రంబులు కట్టితి మండలంబుగా పెంబట భైరవుడ ఈ శత్రుని చంపక చూచితి నవ్వరు చూడని లింగం నిరుపద రూపం నిశ్చలలింగం పురాణ పవిత్ర ఐక్యలింగం థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎవ్రీవన్.
Srinitha from Junior Drona.
So hello everyone, myself Srinitha, I'm from MEC Junior Drona. So as a girl I love to sing and dance. So to show my talent I'd like to dance now.
नहीं रहना तुझा बन के
अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे सौंधे सौंधे रंग में मुझको रंग देना रंग देना रंग देना.
Ajitesh from Junior Drona. Rijwan from Junior Drona.
Good morning, everyone. I am Visual from MEC. I am from Junior Drona. I want to say, and that's it, sir. I Good evening, everyone. I am Rijwal from MEC Junior Drona. I done my schooling from Sadhu Vaswan International School, and that's it. Joke. I want to tell one joke. Max seems very. Max feels very. Why Max feels very sad? Because he's having lots of problems. That's it.
Okay, give it up for Ujjwal.
Meghana from Junior Dhyana.
Hello everyone, myself I am Meghana from Junior Dhyana. Today I want to perform a dance performance to show my talents.
Okay, I want Daksha Karthik to be on the stage. See Karthik from Daksha.
मेरा टैन वैन सब उजड़ा चाकू की नो.
Hello everybody, respected teachers and my dear friends.
मेरा
I'm Shruti Sagar from Junior MPC. I can't really sing or dance, but I could introduce myself for hours. I'm a hybrid athlete. I play football and sports. I've been passionate towards sports since my grade school, and I'm a part-time nutritionist for 5 people. You can search my name on FitnessPal. And I hit the gym every twice a day. So not because I'm doing singing or dancing, but I would like to say something. It's not really a quote, but it is a shame for a man to die without knowing the beauty and strength his body is capable of. Thank you.
जालिम नजर हटा ले बर्बाद हो रहे हैं जी तेरे अपने शहर वाले. हो मेरी अंगड़ाई ना टूटे तू आजा, मेरी अंगड़ाई ना टूटे तू आजा.
कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना. कजरा रे
रटैन
Isai Ganesh.
Anika from Junior Disha.
Anika from Junior Disha.
A very good afternoon to everyone. I am Anika from Junior Disha. For my talent, I'd like to take a different approach. I will not be singing, dancing, or playing any instrument. Instead, I'll be using my voice to start a conversation. I will be talking about something that's really important to me: feminism and women's rights. Now, before you start thinking, well, here's another boring lecture about equality, I'll have you know that this will sound more like a conversation rather than a lecture. So what exactly does feminism mean? Most of you might be thinking that it's just another fancy word for man-hating, but that's not the truth at all. Feminism is all about promoting equality. Feminism is all about promoting equality and fairness in a society. We should be the generation that makes a difference, the generation that breaks all barriers and creates opportunities for everyone. We should use our voices to promote equality and fairness in the society. Thank you.
Dhanashri from Junior Daksha. Dhanashri from Junior Daksha.
Good evening, everyone. I am Dhanashri from MPC Junior Daksha. So I am the girl who is very interested in dance. So to show my talent, I want to perform a dance performance. Last but not the least, hello everyone, my name is Anvita. I am from Junior Dhruva. So my talent is singing. I learned singing. Everyone sings, right? So I wanted to do something new, like make a mashup of my own. So today I am going to sing a mashup, Nadanya into Mere Rash Ke Kamar. कैसे तू गुनगुनाए मुस्कुराए छोटी मोटी बातों पे मुंह फुलाए ये नजाकत मेरी आदत पास मुझे लाए नादानिया नादानिया खींचे मुझे नादानिया 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 खींचे मुझे तेरी है अदा शाम सुबह में तेरी याद करूं तेरे ख्यालों से मैं बात करूं तेरे नजर में ये कैसा नशा है तेरे आवाज में ये कैसा सुकून दिल के सारे इशारों पे बस तेरा ही नाम कैसे तू गुनगुनाए मुस्कुराए छोटी ऐसे लहरा के तू रूबरू आ गई, धड़कने बेतहाशा तड़पने लगी, धड़कने बेतहाशा तड़पने लगी, तीर ऐसा लगा दर्द ऐसा जगा, छोटे दिल पे वो खाई मजा आ गया, मेरे रश के कमर तूने पहली नजर जब नजर से मिलाई मजा आ गया, जब नजर से मिलाई मजा आ गया. Thank you everyone.
And to wrap up set 3 with style, it's time to slay amigos.
It is the final round of Miss and Mr. Fresher. We would like to invite both Sudhir and Sudhir sirs, Economics and Commerce faculty onto the dais.
Let me decide who is Miss Freshers and Mr. Freshers by this answer, what you're giving. If you get 2 hours leisure in college, you want to control the class, what you'll do? If you get 2 hours gap in class, you got a position to control the class, what you will do? First you will say, okay.
Good evening, sir. I think 2 hours, as they say, 1 minute costs, like really costs so much. So 2 hours is a lot of time. So basically teenagers are not of the age who can be easily controlled. So maybe through fun activities we can ask them academic questions or like quizzes or something, and like that, through that way we can ensure the discipline among the students. And maybe like as we have working sessions, we might have some few working sessions in the between, like 15 minutes and 15 minutes quiz. Yeah, that's my opinion.
Good evening, sir. Basically, the opposite person will be silent when the other one is speaking. So to maintain them silent, I'll be talking regarding something to make them calm for some time. And after that, we'll do some activities. So the people will be silent for 2 hours.
Good afternoon, sir. So, in order to maintain class silence, it is important to understand them. Like we have to understand the students and make sure that what is the reason that they are speaking and making noise. And if they are free, that's the main reason they are speaking or making noise in the class. So if I get a chance to control them, I would simply change their places. Like, I don't know how to tell this, but I would change their places and make them sit beside girls, boys, alternate genders. And not only that, it is the best thing to do is allot them some work and tell them to complete it. If they didn't complete that work, there would be some penalties. That's it.
Sir, if I were asked to control the class for 2 hours, I'll try not to control them for the first hour. I'll leave them as they are, because in a class there are groups of people having their own perceptions. I cannot be funny with someone and not funny with the other person. So if I leave them for an hour and I use the last hour to understand their perception and control them, to understand the reason why they're doing something, then it'll be easy for me to control the class.
Good evening, sir. Thank you for your question. In order to control a class, we know that it is very difficult for them to control if we are more strict or blunt with them. So I would first try to understand their issues and just try to help them in a way when a little more kind. Sorry.
Second question. What is your biggest fear? Fear, bayam.
So my biggest fear is overthinking and over-talking a lot because I assume that whenever I talk with people too much, so they start judging me, and I absolutely don't like that. And overthinking, I think out of the box, like totally out of the box. So maybe that's my weakness also, and that is also my fear. So I would like to reduce it too.
So my biggest fear is lizard. Actually, I never fear for anything except that lizard. I know it can't do anything, but it's the only fear I have. I never fear for anything.
So my biggest fear could be failure. Now, even though failure is a part of success, it's a stepping stone to success. Whenever I fail, I feel like I'm letting down myself. And I also tend to be a perfectionist. I overthink things and overanalyze things, and it is not achievable all the time. So that would be my weakness and my fear.
Sir, I'm just gonna saying this. Never fail to try. Just fail and try, but never fail to try.
Well, the biggest fear of mine is not making my parents satisfied. Like, they provide me everything, from studies to clothes. They are providing me everything from morning to night. And my biggest fear is, what if I'm not able to satisfy them? That's my biggest fear, sir. Thank you.
So my biggest fear is to be the average. I always try to be the best, and it's my hate to be the average guy. I try to be the best, not really fear. Fear is a tool to unleash your success. Fear gives you the strength to overcome itself. So my fear is to be average. And it's my hate to be average. I always try to be the best. As Cristiano Ronaldo said, you have to be the best.
Okay, thank you, sir. And those were the best answers we ever heard. Okay, we'll come back to you after 2 performances. Thank you, sir. Please be seated.
Now let us do the announcement of the Miss and Mr. Fresher 2025. We would like to invite Veena ma'am, Shweta ma'am, Maunika ma'am onto the dais.
Hello everyone. Most of you don't know me. I'm Shweta, botany lecturer. I work as a part-time lecturer. I'm here to announce the Miss Fresher. Yes, before that, how was the program, everyone? Did you enjoy? I can't hear you. Still, from boys' side. You didn't enjoy? Still, I can't hear you. Yes, so I know most of you are tired, and before that, you want to know who is the Miss Fresher over here. So, can I have the participants? Need announce? Okay, your Miss Fresher for 2025 D Prologue is Anika from Junior Disha. Please come on to the dais, Anika. Give her a round of applause, everyone.
Good evening, all. Now, Mr. Fresher is who is Mr. Fresher? Mr. Fresher is Shruti Sagar from Junior Dhruva.
Shruti Sagar, come on to the dais.